The tent is up. Woohoo! 1 of 3.
Beer garden.
Hi, John.
Let's go get some beer now.
He's calling this the beer garden. Excuse me.
Let's get the keg right there.
Yay! The tent is up. Yay! Tent is up. That's 1 of 3. We're gonna have to put up the other 2 later on when the cones get home. Say hi, Tara. Okay, now it's time for construction. Start making finishing all the platforms.
Lambeau getting a bath. Butcha butcha.
Wait, is there yellow right there? Oh, scary monster. That was me. What happened? I had a really scary monster. Because I went to the pool and then I had my hair up and then I was like a half.
Putting up the tent number 2. Leslie. Doesn't match. What's going on? I don't know. Everybody hard at work. Hats on. It's a hat day. Super hot. The kitties are painting. Yay! Hi, Liv. Hi, Mr. Taco. Are you painting too? Say hi, Malia. Here goes the top of the tent. It's going up. That's tall people work. Somewhat the ribs. I'm going to try to fit 3 of these tents in the yard so that it completely covers the boxes this year. Woohoo! Let's wish us luck. Yay!